Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Hi, this is Coach Yash from Forza Goa Foundation. Today's focus is on passing and receiving. So what do we need for today's drill? We need one cone. This cone acts as a defender. So instead of the cone, you can have shoes, sticks, or coconut even. Now I'm going to show you how to do this drill. First, you're going to take your guardian, your parent, or whosoever can pass the ball to you, and you're going to ask for a pass. This is to enhance communication. So you're going to look up and you're going to ask for a pass. You're going to pass, pass, pass. You're going to move away, pass, move away, pass. Now see that we are moving away from the defender and not into the defender. So how do we do this? We receive it backwards and not forwards. For example, we're not receiving it forwards because the defender can get to the ball. We're receiving it backwards. We're receiving it backwards, looking up, passing, looking up, passing. Why is this important? For example, that is your defender and this is a real game situation. If you want to move the ball from one side to another, then you have to move quickly. So, pass the ball. Move quickly, side, get it back, and pass. Now, I'm going to show you on the other side. Previously, you were accustomed to this passing drill. For example, pass the ball. This was in order for you to recognize your left and your right, and in order to pass with your left and your right to the opponent. Now, we're going to use the same principles, but only pass it to the other side. For example, pass the ball. Communication is very important in this drill. Communication is very important in football. So now since your sibling or your father, your mother, or whoever is helping you is on the other side, you're going to ask them for the ball with your commands of pass. Pass the ball. Move. Move away. Move away. And pass the ball. Pass, pass, pass. Quick, quick, quick. Move away and pass the ball. What's also very important is to look up and pass, because the reason we're doing this is to recognize space. But if you cannot look up, you cannot see the players that you want to pass it to. For example, if you look down, I cannot see your sibling or whoever standing right there. I cannot just see the person over there. So what I have to do is I have to look up, recognize he is there, and pass the ball to him. Pass, move away, and pass the ball. So what do we learn today? We learned passing and receiving. We learned to move into space. We learned communication. How you do this in the game is very important as well. So you learn here and use it in the game. Thank you so much. This is Coach Yash from Forza Goa Foundation.